How to log in into KTU student account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log in into KTU student account online. For that, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to ktustudents.in. Once you land on this web page, you want to click on the academic option. Here, you have the official section. Select the option of login portal under that. Now, on this page, you want to click on the official login option. Now, you want to click on the login here option. From here, you want to select the students option, and on the right hand side, you have the sign in portal. Go ahead and enter your username, then enter your password. After that, you want to click on the login option. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link, and from there, you will be able to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.